The Crafty Medic. I'm super excited to launch this new website that my partner has been working on for a long time now, and it's called Blog Carousel. So basically, this is a replacement for linky tools, which we've been using, or inlinks. Um, and I think it's a really cool little thing he's come up with here that is going to help us run our blog hops a little bit more smoothly. So this video is specifically for people who are just joining blog hops. Now, some of this is going to change. You'll see we're still in the testing phases here. So we'd love for you to give us your feedback, let us know how things are going. If there's any features you'd like to see, if you're having any problems, let us know, and we'll see what we can do to make them better. So this is kind of the main page. What I wanted to show you in this video, though, is when somebody creates a hop on here, how you join it. So I've got the URL to join a blog hop, and if you're not logged in, it's going to ask you to sign in. So I'm going to sign in, or you can sign up if you don't have an account already. You do need to have an account to participate. And then we're just going to log in, and it's going to take you to this join a blog hop. So for this one here, I've got a blog hop that's called Test Hop. You can see there's 3 links here already, and I'm going to add a 4th one. So I have this post here. I'm going to copy my URL. So this is my permalink. When you're editing in, I'm using Blogger to show you this. When you're editing in Blogger, this is going to be this link over here. Now remember, when you're copying this link, you have to make sure that you've set your publish on date. So if I didn't want this to be published until the 29th, or it gets even worse when you're going into the next month, you really need to be careful with this. So we want to set that date, and then we want to update it up here. So you can either do update or update here once you've set the date and time, and then take your permalink, because as you can see, your permalink here has the month in here. So if that month changes, your permalink won't be the same anymore. But we're just going to copy that and pop it in here. Now, for the purposes of this, I'm just going to put in test link 4. For our crafty collaborations blog hops, you're not going to want to put in the title of your blog post. What you're going to want to put in is your name, your business name, and your country, like that. So if you're participating in a crafty collaborations blog hop, this is the format that you're going to put your title, because otherwise you can see the titles here. We just have a long list of potentially all the same, and we want to know who is actually doing that. Again, that might change from hop to hop, but that's what we use for crafty collaborations. I'm going to hit save here, and this is going to take you to a page called My Blog URLs. So this is all of the links that you have submitted to different blog hops. So this is a really cool page. If you're participating in lots of blog hops and you've lost track of which ones have I already submitted to, which ones have I not submitted to, this will tell you which blog hops you've already submitted to and your link for that. So now what you can do, and this is going to work for Blogger, this is going to work for most services, and I'll talk about the one outlier, is when you've got your link here, so this is our test link 4 that we just added, we're going to go show code, and then you're going to copy this code and you're going to put it in your post. Again, if you're using Blogger, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to HTML view, and then you're going to add this to the end of your post or wherever you want it in your post. Remember that usually this goes above any like product lists or any kind of advertisements at the end of your posts. Now we're going to update this, and then when we go and look over at our post, you can see we have our blog hop at the bottom here. Now the really cool thing is we have this next and previous button. So I can go, this is link number 4. I can go to link number 1. This is my test post 1. And you can see it's bold down here, which one I'm on. And we can go through the entire hop just hitting this next button. And now we're back to that post 4 there. So that is super exciting. I'm just going to close all these extra windows because that's something that a lot of people have been asking for, is this next and previous. Down the road, we're going to be adding that you can add graphics and stuff in there for those. For now, it's just the text and the link that you're at is bolded. All right, so now what if you're not on Blogger or self-hosted WordPress, something that actually supports these codes? Now, the only one is the WordPress hosted WordPress. So if you don't pay for hosting, you may have paid for a custom URL. So if even though your website may be, susiestamper.com, if you're not paying specifically for hosting and managing your own hosting with WordPress, this code won't work. So now what you're going to have to do is there's this preview code here. So what you can do is you can create a link on your post that just links to this one. It's still going to show your link is bolded, and you'll still have that next and previous button. It's just not going to be on your actual post. It's going to be this separate website. All right, hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully you can wrap your head around using this awesome new tool. I do have a separate video on how to create blog hops as well. So if you would like to help me test the creation of blog hops, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I will send you that video as well. You'll see if you go to the homepage here, it has our little disclaimer. Hey, this is a new product. We're still testing it out. And there's a little box there that you can put in your questions, comments, concerns, feature requests, whatever, and send them to us. That's all I got. Happy stamping and happy blog hopping. We're going to launch this for our 2022 blog hops. Bye.